Hello from Tombstone Monument Ranch.
Reception area at Tombstone Monument Ranch in Arizona, and this is where you'll sign up daily for your activities. We are in room 34 at Tombstone Monument Guest Ranch in Tombstone, Arizona. This is the mine shaft room at the ranch, and this is also where you'll be playing cards at night. Swimming pool with a hot tub, Tombstone Monument Ranch. We are horseback riding through Tombstone Monument Ranch in Arizona. Here at Tombstone Monument Ranch, it is a working cattle ranch, and these are Criollo cattle. So the True Ranch Collection, they sell their beef. Tombstone Monument Ranch in Arizona, we're coming across some of the longhorns. You can see why they call them longhorns.